I saw a rise in prices of food commodities. Food commodities are going to rise in prices.
Zimbabwe's economy is spiraling out of control once again. The local currency is fast losing its value, and most retailers have begun pricing and selling their goods strictly in the US dollars.
Prices escalating as compared to what people are aiming. Isn't prices, they must follow after the increase of salaries. But now prices are going to escalate, not only in Zimbabwe, but it's a global problem.
Food companies around the continent lose an estimated over $4 billion due to factors often outside their control. This means they have to compensate for their losses by redistributing the cost of wasted food items. These costs are then typically passed on to consumers, adding to an already precarious situation with food prices.
It's a global problem.